Is it appearing my screen? Yes, Babu. Is it appearing? Yes. Six member have joined. Okay. So see the question. This is the another type of question. A follower, a roller follower is there, is offset by a left side by 12 mm. Okay. And the base circle radius of the cam is base circle of the radius of the base circle is given mm. Okay. The desired displacement of the follower y for any cam rotation is listed below table. This is the table. Layout the cam profile. Is asking to construct the cam profile. If the radius of roller follower is 10 mm, radius of the follower is 10 mm, the cam rotates in a clockwise direction. The cam is going to rotate in a clockwise direction. So this is on. So first write the given data. The given data. What is given? It is offset. Offset circle. Offset circle is 12 mm radius. Radius of offset circle and base circle radius. Base circle camera. Base circle radius is 30 mm. So displacement values are given in the table and asking to draw only cam profile. Question is itself mentioning here, layout the cam profile. Layout the cam profile. And roller follower is follower radius. Follower radius is given as 10 mm. Okay. Now, if the question is asked such parameters like show the prime circle, show the pitch point, show the pressure angle and the cam profile, at that particular situation you need to show the all whatever the question is mentioned. If the question is not mentioned, so no need to draw. Okay. Now the procedure I'm explaining to construct the cam profile. First measure the offset circle radius. First measure the offset circle radius and draw the offset circle. Draw the offset circle. Okay. So what is the diameter of the offset circle? 24 mm. Okay. 24 mm. Now after drawing, question is mentioned the offset is by left side. So it is left side. Take the left side and draw one tangent, vertical tangent line to the offset circle. Why I am drawing the vertical tangent left side? Because question itself mentioning the roller follower is offset to the left side, to the left side of the axis of the cam. Okay. So that reason I am taking the left side of the cam, the offset circle. Now after drawing the offset tangent line, now measure the 30 mm radius with the compass. Measure the 30 mm radius with compass and draw another circle. 30 mm and draw another circle. Draw another circle. So this circle is known as base circle. This circle is known as base circle. So to draw the base circle, what we need to do? First, measure the radius with the compass 30 mm and draw the circle that is the base circle. Okay. Now what is the next step? The next step is measure the here prime circle diameter. We need to construct the prime circle diameter. Prime circle diameter is base circle diameter plus base circle diameter plus radius of roller. So base circle diameter, how much we got? 60 is a base circle diameter. Base circle diameter, how much? Sorry, base circle radius. So base circle radius is 30 plus is the 10. Total is a 40 prime circle radius. Okay. So measure with the compass 40 mm. Measure with the compass 40 mm as a radius and so measure 40 mm and draw prime circle. So I'm drawing the prime circle. I'm drawing the prime circle. Now after that, divide this prime circle into number of parts. How many number of parts we need to divide? Go to the displacement table. So here how many parts is given? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in the displacement table, so divide this prime circle. This one is a prime circle. This one is a prime circle. This is a base circle. And this is the offset circle. Okay. So divide the prime circle into 12 equal parts. Not 12 equal parts, 12 parts we need to divide. With how much each distance? So start with the here. Before dividing, start with here. So I'm starting with here. I'm starting from here. This is the one point. Starting with the point A, I'm starting with here. So divide this prime circle. Start with O. Start with A. Sorry, not O. Start with A, and divide 12 equal parts. With each equal distance is. So this is the 0 degree first position. 0 degree. Second is the 30 degrees. So from here to 30 degrees. From here to 30 degrees. Measure 30 degrees and denote here. That is the first point. And next one is a 60 degrees. 60 degrees means.
Sir,
Yeah.
I have one doubt, sir. Sir,
Yeah.
prime. Sir, in the prime circle, sir, in the question you said it will be given in the question. It's not given, sir, prime circle.
Yeah. Prime circle is not given. Whenever you find the such situation, what situation? Here displacement diagram is not appearing. Directly displacement situation table is given. Displacement table is given directly. So at that situation, we need to draw the prime circle for easy completion. With the base circle also we can complete.
So whenever we draw the prime circle, we have to divide the prime circle in equal parts. Then while drawing the cam profile, also we have to take the measurements from prime circle only, sir, or from the base circle.
From the prime circle. I will explain. You
So
first listen. First
there's
listen.
no use of base circle in.
Yeah. So first start with the A point. First is a 0 degree, that is 0 here shown in the table. Then next is the 30 degrees, means measure from the here 30 degree, center as this one. क्लास में बाद में बात करता हूँ. क्लास में हूँ मैं, बाद में बात करता हूँ. So from the A point measure 30 degrees, because here given in table 30 degrees. So measure 30 with the center this one. Take the D scale, keep here with reference this line OA. Reference line is OA. Measure 30 degrees and denote one point. Give the point name as a 1. Now next time 60 degrees. 60 degrees means from the first point. So connect this point to O. Very thin line. Connection from the 1 to O is a very thin line. Okay. So from this O to 1, measure 60 degrees and plot here. Give that name as a 2. Again, after denoting, join this here. Again, place the D scale here, measure 90 degrees, because the table is given 90 degrees. So place here, measure 90 degrees, it will be here somewhere here. Give that name as a 3. Okay. Now from this line O to 3, measure 120 degrees. Measure 120 degrees and keep the D scale here and denote the 1 point, that is a 4, and connect the O and 4 with thin line. With a thin line. Now what is the next one? 150. 150 degrees. So keep the D scale here and measure 150 degrees and show on the prime circle as a point, fifth point. Connect the 0 to 5, very thin line. The next one is the 180 degrees. So measure 180 degrees with the reference 0 to 5. Measure from this line 180 somewhere here, that is a 6th point. Then 210 degrees. Then what is the next degree? 210 degree. 210 degree, measure 210 and place here as a 7 point. And next is a 240. Next is 240 means somewhere here, 8th point. Then 270 point, 300 10th point, and 330. सर मैं क्लास में हूँ सर, फिर बात करता हूँ. क्लास में हूँ. So any doubt to divide the circle, this prime circle, how to divide? Is there any doubt? Is there any doubt, Babu?
Sir, from which point we should take and take the next degree, sir? Like now we are drawing 180, sir. So we should keep the protractor on 150, then take 180, sir, or from the 0 point.
No, from the 0 point. From the 0 point. Sorry. From the 0 point. If you start from each point, that angle is not sufficient here. For the each point, 0 is the A1. Measure 30, measure 60, measure 30, then measure 60, then measure 90, then measure 120, then measure 150, then measure 180, then measure 210, 30, and 270 and 300, then 330, like this. Okay.
Sir, but
Is
how
it
can we do that in a protractor? Means it will be very difficult, right, sir? Each and every angle, because in the protractor will be having only 180 degrees, sir. After that,
round
how should we do that, sir?
round protractor you need to purchase? Total 360 degrees protractor is there, that you need to
My God.
purchase. Okay. So after denoting the all points, so after denoting the all points, join the all points as a tangent to the offset circle. 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 Tangent to the offset. And tangent to the offset. Tangent to the offset. Tangent to the offset. Okay. Like this. Sure. Now, initially we drawn one vertical tangent. Initially we drawn one vertical tangent. Okay. So the vertical tangent is nothing but this A point is nothing but center of roller follower. Okay. 10 mm radius is given. So what is the diameter of the follower? 20 mm diameter. So 20 mm it is difficult to measure, I think. Okay. So for that reason only you purchase one compass. So not compass, that one. What is scale? It is having the such holes on the scale. Okay. Such type of scale if you purchase, easily you can draw. Okay. Draw one roller here with the 10 mm radius. With 10 mm radius. Okay. Now, whatever the points you obtain here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, like that, that points you need to transfer. You need to transfer from their original position to somewhere, where here in the given in displacement table. For the 0 degree, the displacement of the point A is a 0. It means the point A position is point A only, because there is no displacement, 0. Now for the first point, that is 30-degree line, the displacement of the point 1, the displacement of the point 1 is shifting to 2.5 mm along the line. So which line? This is the first line, 30-degree line. This is a 30-degree line. Okay. So for to this 30-degree line, the point, one point is shifting from the original position to 2.5 mm distance. It means measure with the scale 2.5 mm and place here and give the name as a 1 dash. Okay. Now coming to the 60 degrees line. Which one is the 60 degrees line? This is the 60 degrees line. This is the 60 degrees line. So for the 60 degrees line, shift the second point to 9.2 mm. So measure 9.2 from here from the prime circle, not from the base circle, from the prime circle. From the prime circle, measure 9.2 somewhere here. Put a point and give the name as a 2 dash. Now next time, what is the next 30 degrees, 90 degrees line? So this is the 90 degrees line. So 90 degrees line. On the 90 degrees line, shift the third point to along the line. How much distance? 18.7. 18.7. So measure 18.7 and make a point. Give the name as a 3 dash. Okay, like that. Now next 120 degrees line. Which one is a 120 degrees line? This one is a 120 degrees line. So in this 120 degrees line, shift the fourth point to what distance? 28.3. So measure 28 from the prime circle, not from the base circle. From the prime circle, measure 28.3 mm. Yeah.
Sir? So in the PDF it is different, sir. The PDF the diagram will be coming different, sir. This example only. He's taking the measurement from prime circle, sir. Base circle, sir.
He's taking measurement from the base circle. No, prime circle only.
Yes, so that's only.
Prime circle only.
You check, sir, once.
Wait, I'm showing. So this one is na. What is the sixth point? Transfer the displacement from the given displacement table to appropriate tangents measuring from the prime circle to get the points 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash 11 dash etc.
So once the diagram, so diagram.
The number
So the
is
second
numbering.
point was
Numbering.
coming.
See, numbering is given. Numbering is given on the prime circle. So this is the prime circle. Number is given on the prime circle. See here. This is a big circle is a prime circle here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So these points, one is shifting from the prime circle to here. Second point is shifting from here to here. Third point is shifting 3 to 3 dash. Fourth point is shifting from the fourth to 4 dash. Fifth to 5 dash. 6 to 6 dash. 7 to 7 dash. See there. All the whatever the points you are observing on the prime circle only, that points are shifting to according to the given data. Is it clear? Is it clear, Babu?
Yes, sir, but the diagram which we got while doing is different from this one, sir, because the second point is coming.
Have you drawn the figure?
Outside the prime, sir. No,
Have
sir,
you
which
drawn?
you were drawing, sir.
You're drawing
which
now?
you were drawing now.
Oh, okay. After completion of your drawing, you send me one epic. Yesterday somebody.
Yes. Because the second point is coming outside the prime circle, sir. But in this diagram, you can see there's while drawing the cam profile, the second point is inside the prime circle. That's why I'm confused that he's taking the points from the base circle or the prime circle.
No. See here, somebody yesterday sent one photo. The Vaishnavi is her name. Vaishnavi. So she drawn the diagram. See here, very good. But the thing is, she drawn the displacement diagram. If you see, she drawn one curve here. Then she stopped. Again, she started the drawing the curve from the 6th point to O. Don't.
Sir, I forgot to join the 6 and 6, sir. During dual, it will be to draw a line.
Yeah. That's here. The curve should be very dark. Here you are drawn the except the curve remainings are darkened.
Yes, sir. I forgot that.
The curve should be dark. Remaining thing should be thin. That one. Another thing is here in this cam profile, what you did, lifting from the, you consider the 0 point from here. Here you started 0 point, but 0 point you should start with the where the follower is touched to the circle, base circle.
Okay,
so see the difference. I'm sure from the I will show that what is the difference. So observe in this diagram. See here in this diagram, the lifting of the curve begins with the here. From this point to here it is lifting like this. But what you did, you started the lifting after few division of the circle, means like this. So see what is the difference for that and for this. Okay, that is a small mistake. Now after drawing the cam profile, you erase this outcoming lines, means this whatever the line is coming outside cam profile, you need to erase the diagram.
Okay,
only the curve should be darkened in this diagram also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
And everything is very good. So enough. You will, if you draw the displacement diagram, if you draw the cam profile, easily you can get the good score. And one more thing, particularly when the question is asked, show where is the base circle, show where is the offset circle, where is the cam profile, where is the pitch point. Such kind of questions will be maybe asked in the question. At that time, you need to show on the this answer.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
And somebody is asking, Sharif, after drawing your figure, you should send a pic. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now see here where we are. Now what is that next one? Fifth one. Which one is the fifth? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 120 degrees line. Which one is the 120 degree? So this is the 120 degree line. Okay, this is the 120 degree line. Measure 28.3. Shift this fifth point to shift this fifth point to along the line here 5 dash. What is the distance here to here? The distance is 20. Here to here, what is the distance? 28.3. Okay. Now go to the next line. Which one? 150 degree line. So which one is the 150 degree line? So this is the 150 degree line. And then now shift the sixth point to along with this line. At what distance? 35 mm. 35 mm. So measure 35 mm along the line and shift here. Give the name as a 6 dash. Then now measure, take the 180 degree line. So which one is the 180 degree? This is the 180 degree line. Give the name as 7. Now measure 37.5 along the line and shift the 7 to here as a 7 dash. Here as a 7 dash. Then 210 degree line. So which one is a 210 degree line? This is a 210 degree line. 210 degree line. So shift the 8th point to from 8th point to 8 dash. At what distance? 35. So 35 means somewhere here. Measure 35 and place the 8 dash. Okay. A dash. Now take the 240 degree line. So this is a 240 degree line. 240 degree line, and shift the this ninth point here on the prime circle. Measure 28.3, 28.3, and place it here as a 9 dash. Then take the 270 degree line. So 270 degree line. This is the 270 degree. Okay, 270 degree line. Measure 18.7. Measure 18.7. So this is the 10th point. Shift this 10th point to here as 18.7. So that is the 10 dash. Okay. So take the 300 line. So this is the 300 line, and measure 9.2. So 11th line here somewhere. Give the name as 11 dash. And 330 line. So 330 line means somewhere here. Actually should not come this side, because this I'm not maintaining any scale, so that reason it is coming. While you are drawing on paper, the 11th, the last point should end before this follower, not behind this follower. Okay, remember this point. And measure 2.5. Shift the line here 2.5 as a 12 dash. Okay. Now after shifting the points means 1 to 1 dash, 2 to 2 dash you are shifting, 3 to 3 dash you are shifting, 4 to 4 dash you are shifting, 5 to 5 dash shifting, 6 to 6 dash shifting here, 8 to 8 dash shifting here. Okay, 9 to 9 dash, 10 to 10 dash. Like this you are shifting the all points. Okay, so after shifting the all points, this 1 dash, 2 dash, 3 dash, 4 dash, all whatever the dashes points are the centers for the roller follower. These all points are the centers for the roller follower. It means 1 dash is the center for the roller follower. 2 dash is the center for the roller follower. 3 dash is the center for the roller follower. 4 dash is the center for the roller follower. 5 dash is the center for the roller follower. That is the meaning. Okay. So if it is the centers, measure the radius of the roller follower 10 mm with the compass and draw the circles like this. Draw the circles. Your wish, Babu, you can draw the full circle, otherwise you can draw the semicircle. Draw the circles. With the center, these new points, radius is at 10 mm, draw the circles. Okay. After drawing the circles, join the all curves by freehand. Curves means this lowest point of the curve. This is the lowest point of the curve. This is the lowest point of the curve. This is the lowest point of the curve. Which one? This one. This is the lowest point of the curve. This is the lowest point of the curve. This is the lowest point of the curve. Okay. Join the this lowest points by freehand. I'm starting with the A point. Not like this. No, like this. Because this is a pen tab, I'm unable to draw properly. If it is a board, I can easily show you. And paper, it is more convenient. Okay. So don't forget to show dark line for the answer. Don't forget to showing the answer as a dark. So in this diagram, which one is the answer? The darkened line is the main answer. Okay. So this is the procedure. So after drawing this one, your answer will come like this. Your answer will come like this. So observe in this diagram, answer is with the dark lines. Answer is showing with the dark curve, and remaining things are the thin lines. Remaining things are the thin lines. Okay. Any doubts, Baba? Somebody asking yesterday a doubt. Sharik, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
And Vaishnavi?
Yes, sir.
Atif Babu, are you there? Rule number 3, Atif Babu. Only 10 students are present.
Yes, sir. Present too, sir.
Any doubts regarding this topic?
No, sir.
No. Have you listened this class? Otherwise, switch on the mobile and gone somewhere.
Yes, sir.
And Syed Ilyas, some day before yesterday, I think he asked. So he.
समझ नहीं आया.
Okay. Any doubts, Babu, regarding this topic? You can ask the doubt. Even after the completion of class, you can ask the doubt. Okay. You be prepared, and whatever you are practicing after drawing the diagrams, you send a pic to my WhatsApp. I will check that you are drawing properly or not.
Sir, one doubt, sir.